Hello, boss.
Are you done with the shopping?
Yeah, I've just dropped it off at the office. Did you need something else?
Yeah, basically we're playing poker tonight.
The graphics are so bad, it looks like they came from the 19th century. Probably even 20 years older.
Just found a mobile phone on a bus and called the home number. I don't know.
Oh my God, that's where did you...
All these years you lied to me. I always thought, two good friends living together, taking care of each other, how good that is. I never thought... I can't even say it, I can't.
Mum, you're thinking too much, worrying too much. I'll call you next week, okay?
Oh, you don't want to talk to me now?
You're making this very difficult. You're so ashamed of your gay son.
Oh my God, why did you mention that word on the phone? There are people listening.
Who cares? There are much more important issues to deal with anyway.
Oh, what do you know? You're a child.
I'm reaching 30 and I'm still a child.
No matter how old you are, you're always a child to me. You should listen to me.
Even when you know nothing about it. What about computers? You don't understand them, so you should listen to me.
I won't. And I don't want to use computers either. What good did they bring? You becoming like this was all computers' fault. You always use your computer to look up things like this, don't you?
I can't communicate with you. I'm hanging up.
Will you take care of yourself?
Leo, hello, it's Granny.
Yeah?
How are you? Leo, are you there?
Mama?
Are you with Mummy?
No!
Leo, I'm coming to see you soon. We're going to have a lovely time.
Mum. Mum? Don't cry. What's the matter?
Your aunties were here yesterday. They asked about you. I don't know what to say anymore when people ask why you haven't got a girlfriend.
Say whatever you were telling them before.
But now things have changed.
How about just telling them the truth?
No way. If any of our family found out about this, I wouldn't be able to live anymore. I would have to jump off a building.
What? Are you serious? Why would you kill yourself?
Here is not like the South.
Alright. It's not like I'm going to see them anytime soon anyway.
Maybe you're not. I was too strict. Wouldn't let you get close to girls when you were young, and then you went to the big city, and you was Jews.
Would you stop lying to yourself? I was never interested in girls.
Why didn't you tell me? I could have helped you.
How? Snap an elastic band on my wrist every time I thought of boys. Electric shock therapy.
Who would send their own flesh and blood to places like that?
A lot of people. All in the name of for your own good. But how many parents are sending their children to internet addiction institutions?
This is a fire drill. All personnel, please stop what you are doing and go to the assembly point in section 31. This is a fire drill. All personnel, please stop what you are doing and go to the assembly point in section 31.
In the future, are all humans going to be like your people?
No one said that. We're a minority group and such a small percentage still bugs you.
I'm getting old now. As a son, can't you think about me?
As a mother, can't you think about your son?
I'm always thinking about you.
Really? Seems to me you always think about yourself. You want a daughter-in-law, you want a grandson. Did you not think, if I were to marry a girl, I'd be lying to her and her family my whole life? And if we had children, I would be lying to them too. How many people are going to get hurt?
So you'd rather hurt your own mother?
And you would rather hurt your own son? My whole life would be miserable, living a lie every day. Every day you blame this and that, not even trying to know or understand your own son. Just letting time pass by, afraid of facing the reality. This is your attitude towards life.
I cry and beg Buddha every day, please change my son back.
You know why after half a year of begging, Buddha still hasn't changed me back? Because there's nothing wrong with being gay.
How can you be this selfish? If it continues like this, how many years have I left to live?
What if I die tomorrow?
Don't say things like that. You're so young.
If I died in a train crash, I know you'd be heartbroken, but at the same time, would you feel relieved? The secret is safe now.
Listen to what you're saying. You're twisting my heart.
Mum, New Year is coming. Your two sons would like to come and see you. Are we welcome?
He is not my son.
How are you, Dad?
Good. Good.
For years, I haven't been here to see you.
You have your reasons. I understand.
Are you still with Uncle Sun?
Yeah. He's cooking our meal. He'll be so happy to see you.